Tesla recently introduced updates to its popular Model 3, and while these changes promise enhanced features and performance, some Tesla enthusiasts have raised concerns about certain aspects of the updated Model 3. In this video, we'll delve into three main problems that have been identified in the new iteration of Tesla's celebrated electric sedan. Number 1. One of the most significant changes in the updated Model 3 is the replacement of the traditional gear selector with a screen gear system, which, in addition, necessitates the driver to buckle their seatbelt before the vehicle engages in gear. The gear lever in the previous Model 3 is widely regarded as intuitive and straightforward. To engage reverse, drivers simply push the selector upwards, and to go forward, they push it downwards. This system has been praised for its ease of use and its elimination of guesswork. However, the updated Model 3 employs a different approach, one that has prompted criticism. While this may not be a deal breaker for all drivers, it does raise questions about the convenience and user-friendliness of this new design choice. Number 2. Another controversial change in the updated Model 3 is the removal of traditional turn signal stalk and its replacement with buttons located on the steering wheel. The turn signal stalk is designed to allow drivers to indicate their intentions to change lanes or make a turn without taking their hands off the steering wheel. This design promotes safety by reducing distractions and allowing for smoother signaling. In contrast, the new Model 3 replaces this mechanism with buttons on the steering wheel. While Tesla asserts that drivers will adapt to this change, critics argue that this alteration may increase the likelihood of unintended lane changes or turns due to the need to interact with the steering wheel's buttons. This shift raises concerns about both safety and the learning curve associated with the new control scheme. Number 3. A key selling point for any electric vehicle is its range, which denotes the distance it can travel on a single charge. In the case of the updated Model 3, Tesla claims an impressive range of 390 miles using the WLTP system. However, real-world experiences have cast doubt on the accuracy of this range estimate. Owners of the previous Model 3 have reported that the actual range often falls short of the stated figure. This disparity between the claimed and actual range can lead to range anxiety, a concern that one may run out of battery power before reaching their destination. While it's not uncommon for manufacturers to use optimistic range figures in their marketing materials, the discrepancy between claimed and actual range raises questions about transparency and customer expectations. Potential buyers may find themselves disappointed when they discover that the real-world range is significantly lower than what was initially advertised. Do you agree? Let us know about it in the comments.